How are you all? I hope you all are very good. Welcome back to the new session of Science Class First, chapter number 3, that is food from plants. So, students, as we all know, that plants are very useful to us. Why? Because they help us in many ways. They provide you a lot of useful things which we use very commonly in our daily life. And the very important thing which are provided to us by the plants is the food and the oxygen gas. All right. In this session today, we are going to learn about all the food, the different type of food products which we get from plant. All right. So let's start the chapter and learn about it. So as I told you that in this lesson, we will learn about the types of food we get from plants. First of all, you have to look at the pictures given below and check the foods which we get from plants. Means all of the pictures of the food items which we get from the plants are need to be picked by us. And those food items which we get from animals, we have to leave them as they are. So first is apple. Apple is a fruit and the fruits we get from plants. Second is milk. Milk we get from cow, buffalo. Means what? It it is a product which we do not get from the plants. We get this product or the milk from the animal. So we will not take it correct. Again, this is what? Tomato, a vegetable, and vegetables also we get from the plants only. These are eggs. Eggs are provided to us by the animals. This is mango, a fruit which we get from plants only. These are pea. Pea, again a vegetable which we get from plant. Alright? Now, so plants are very useful to us. They provide us a lot of things. Same as I told you that they are very useful to us because they provide us lot of useful things. Alright? Now, what are those things which are provided to us by the plants? That is fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, fibers, medicines, and then there are many other food items more which we get from the plant only. And the most important thing which we get from the plant is oxygen gas. Because this is the only gas which we need for breathing, for our survival. All right. And this gas is provided to us by the plants only. So now I hope you must understand the importance of plants in your life. All right. So first of all, we will learn about what? Fruits. So we get fruits from the plants only. What are fruits? Fruits are the juicy and fleshy parts of plant. Fruit is a part of plant only, and the part which is juicy, which is fleshy part, that is known as fruit. Fruits are eaten raw. Most of the fruits are eaten raw only, and then with that we use fruits to make juices and jams also, right? And very important is that fruit make us healthy and strong. So therefore, it is advised that we should eat more and more fruits in our diet because they make you healthy and strong. For example, we have apple, mango, orange, pomegranate, grapes. All these are the fruits which we get from plants only. Fruits like oranges make our teeth shiny and strong. Very important that the orange fruit make our teeth shiny and strong. So we should eat it. Second, what we get from the plants, that is vegetables. Right? And we get vegetables from the different parts of plant. As we have discussed about the different parts of plant in our previous sessions also. So from those different plants, we get different vegetables also. Like we have discussed about root, stem, leaf and fruits. What are these? These are some parts of plant only, and we eat these part of plant as a vegetable. Like potato, carrot, cauliflower, cabbage, all these are vegetables only. Alright. Next, we get cereals and pulses. So, we eat seeds of some plant as food. Means there are some plants whose seeds are eaten as food. Alright. We get grains. I hope we all must eat grains. Like we eat rice, wheat, millet, etc. All these are types of grains only, and we get these grains from the plants. And along with that, we eat pulses also, like gram, peas, etc. And these pulses also we get from the plants only. So altogether, these cereals and pulses are known as food grains which we get from plants. Alright, cereal and pulses together are known as food grains. So they have given you some examples of cereals like rice, wheat, millet. And then pulses, they have given you kidney beans, this is gram, this is peas, and these are the types of pulses. Next, we get tea, coffee, and sugar also from the plants only. Right? Plants also give us tea, coffee, sugar, and cocoa. How? See, we get coffee powder. This coffee powder we get from coffee seeds. And then this coffee seeds are crushed to get coffee powder. And then you use that coffee powder to make your coffee. Alright? Then if we talk about tea, tea we get from the dried leaves of the tea plant. There is tea plant whose leaves are dried and then they are crushed to make tea. Next, if we talk about sugar, that we get from the sugar cane plant. There is a plant known as sugar cane through which we get sugar because of its stem. You can see this is coffee. These are coffee seeds. This is sugar we get from sugarcane plant, and this is tea which we get from tea plant. The next we get spices also. See, plants provide us spices also. And what these spices do? They add color, smell, and taste to our food. For example, cumin seeds, cardamom, red chilies, mustard seeds, all are these some examples of spices which we get from plants, and they make our food more tasty and also add a very kind of mouth watering smell. All right. These are cumin seeds, these are cardamom, red chilies, mustard seed. All of these are spices only. Now, what they have given you that you have to circle the fruits with red crayons, vegetables with green crayons, and cereals and pulses with yellow crayons. All right. So, first of all, if we talk about fruits, so we have this mango. This is a fruit. So, we will circle it with a red crayon. Then this is pomegranate. Again, a fruit. So, we will circle it with a red crayon. All right. Then we have to circle vegetables with what? Green crayon. So now this is pea, a vegetable. This is cabbage, a vegetable. This is carrot, a vegetable. And this is potato, again a vegetable. So I have encircled all of the vegetables with green color. And next the cereals and pulses with yellow one. So this is wheat, and this is rice. So the cereals and pulses have been encircled with yellow crayons. Alright. Now, next what we get from plant? We get oil also from the plant. How? See, there are some plants whose seeds are used, they are crushed to get oil. For example, groundnut, mustard, sunflower, coconut. These all plant seeds are used to get oil. And this oil is mainly used for cooking purpose. See, for example, we use coconut oil. Coconut oil is used for your healthy hair. Then this sunflower oil is used for cooking, and mustard oil is also used for cooking only. Alright. Next we get nuts and dry fruits also from the plants only. See, dry fruits are the fruits or seeds that are dried and eaten. Means as the name suggests, they are fruit only. But these dry fruits are such kind of fruits or such kind of seeds which are first of all dried and then they are eaten. They can be stored for a longer time than fresh fruits. The very advantage of these dry fruit is what that they can be stored for a very long period of time, and uh, as compared to fresh fruits, you can store them for a long time period and then you can enjoy them in the future also. Dry fruits are very good for our health, so we should include them in our diet. For example, walnut, almond, cashew, these are dry fruits which are good for our health. Now, next they have given you that write the names of food items. They have given you these food items, you have to write their names over here. So, first of all, you can see this is what? This is a vegetable known as cauliflower. So, we will write over here cauliflower. Alright. Next, this is a fruit known as apple. APPLE, apple. This is what? This is coffee. Alright. So, we will write over here coffee. And these are millets. So, we will write over here millets. See, all these food items we get from the plants only. Alright. Which I have written over here. Now, let us recall the chapter once more. That plants give us oxygen. As I told you, this oxygen is life supporting gas because we need it for breathing and it is provided to us by the plants only. Secondly, if we talk about fruits, what are they? They are the juicy and the fleshy parts of the plant. Secondly, we eat seeds of some plant as food also. Then coffee powder, we get coffee powder from the coffee seeds. Then sugar, it is made from the juice of the sugar cane stem. As I told you, sugar cane is a plant. Its stem juice is used to make sugar. Then we add spices. We add spices to our food. Alright. And then these spices add color, smell and taste to our food. And at last, if we talk about dry fruits, so they are very good for our health. Therefore, it is advised to include these dry fruits in your diet. Alright, that's all for the chapter. These were some of the food items which we have discussed over here, and we get these food items from the plants only. And I hope now that you can understand the importance of plants in your everyday life. If there were no plants, then we would not have got all these food items and also that life supporting gas known as oxygen. So, plant more and more trees, make your environment green and healthy. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, keep going well, learn well, and thanks to everyone.